Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering up the console and placing Cronus Zen nearby. Plug Zen into your PC and run GTuner Roman 4 so it recognizes the device. Once GTuner confirms firmware is current, connect Zen to the console via the correct cable. Make sure you use the console port, not the PC port. You should see controller pass-through lights. If not, switch cables. This initial link is critical because it lets your Zen act as the input bridge for Rust, so verify every connection now. You now load a Rust profile designed for console play. Either import a community file or build one. Once loaded, map controller buttons to match console layout and calibrate stick dead zones and sensitivity so movement feels natural. Make targeted adjustments. Set anti-recoil strength conservatively and tune aim assist smoothing. This prevents overcorrection. Keep testing in a private server or offline mode and make iterative changes. This step refines how your inputs translate, so patience here saves frustration later. You finish by copying the tuned profile to Cronus Zen memory and selecting the active slot before launching Rust. Then test in a private match. Observe responsiveness, recoil compensation, and any input lag. If something feels off, reboot console and Zen, replug cables, and rerun GTuner to inspect error logs. One key troubleshooting tip: if the controller isn't recognized, swap the USB port on the console and use a high-quality data cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.